Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations toward his teachers, students, and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution, Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa, School and College. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is fastation, Suzud or Sazdah in Salat. He then said Takbir, Allahu Akbar, then fasted in fastation. He used to settle for head, nose and knees and the bottom of his toes on the ground, making his finger and face towards the Qibla. He used to lean on the palms of his hand during fastation, keeping his upper arm apart from his high and his thigh. He used to make his Subhanallah al-A'la. He used to make his fastation neither long nor short. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu reported the Messenger of Allah as saying, when one of you fasted himself, he must not kneel in the manner of camel, but should put down his hand before his knee. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.